Bowl with spoon overnight oats with yogurt. A gut-friendly power breakfast. Nutritionist Sakshi Singh shares 5 amazing reasons why soaking oats in yogurt overnight can be a game changer for your health. Flex Biceps 1. Easier to digest. Raw oats can be hard on your stomach. But after soaking in yogurt overnight, they become soft and much easier to digest. Heavy plus. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, friendly bacteria that help your gut stay happy. Magnet 2. Better nutrient absorption. Oats contain phytic acid, which can block minerals like iron and zinc from being absorbed. White heavy checkmark. Soaking helps reduce phytic acid, making your breakfast more nutritious. Microbe 3. Healthy gut, stronger immunity. Oats equals high in fiber, prebiotic. Yogurt equals full of probiotics. Together, they help balance your gut microbiome, boost your immune system, and reduce bloating or indigestion. Person in lotus position 4. Keeps you full longer. The combo of fiber plus protein keeps hunger in check. No more mid-morning snack attacks, perfect for those trying to manage weight. Balance scale 5. Smart choice for weight control. Low in calories, rich in nutrients. This bowl helps you eat better, not less. Yogurt and oats are a perfect match for anyone looking to slim down the healthy way. Dr. Singh Adult Cooking. How to make it. Small Blue Diamond, half a cup rolled oats. Small Blue Diamond, 1 cup plain yogurt, preferably unsweetened. Small Blue Diamond. Mix well, cover, and refrigerate overnight. Small Blue Diamond in the morning, top with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Light bulb. Pro tips. Use rolled oats for best texture. Avoid instant oats. Prep multiple jars for the week. Grab and go breakfast made easy, direct hit. Best for heavy checkmark. Busy mornings. Heavy checkmark. Weight Watchers. Heavy checkmark. Gut health seekers. Heavy checkmark. Healthy snack lovers.